Remember how excited you were the very first time that you saw heat embossing? That magic melting of that powder into that shiny, slick, and textured surface? Let's recapture some of that excitement and learn 4 brand new techniques you are going to love. My latest online class is called Heat Emboss Your Way to Wow Cards. I've got 4 wonderful techniques for you to take your cards over the top wow. Become a heat embossing pro with tips like 4 ways to remove those pesky little specks that end up all over your perfectly handmade cards. How to be confident with a heat tool and vellum. Ways to add mixed metallics to your cards that are fabulous. Plus all kinds more tips, as well as our regular paper crafting tips. Save time when you download my supplies and cutting measurements tutorial. Then follow along with me, learn all of my tips, and then make all of these wonderful designs. You can watch it over and over again because you have lifetime access. You don't need to be limited to when I teach a class. It's whenever is good for you. Learn how to take your heat embossing to the next level. Click the Get It Now button and get immediate access to heat emboss your way to wow cards.